Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your tire pressure of your Tesla on the computer. So let's get started. So right here, all you have to do is simply tap on your car icon here. And from there on, you're just going to scroll down to service right here. Now, once you do that, right here, you'll see the tire pressure for your four tires here. You can see I have 40 PSI, 40, and then 39. And then 39, I should probably get those adjusted to the recommended one, which says 42. So it went down a little bit here because during the winter months, it gets a little bit colder and the pressure drops and you need to adjust them. Now you can take it to a Tesla service center or do it anywhere, but basically you'll be able to come here to check the pressure if you ever need to see what the pressure looks like on your tire. Again, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful. If so, please consider hitting a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your Tesla. We'll see you guys next time.